people need to know.
It is like Ma Engel's dreams.
It's very cute. Look at how cute
It's
this
like
kitchen is.
Little House on the Prairie.
All right. Good job. We're Kelsey and Lindsay Mercer with the Good Real Estate Company, and we are super excited to be at our latest listing. This is an awesome 20-acre property, 10 minutes west of Stony Plain.
This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and there's tons of outbuildings, lots of updates inside the house. You can see it's so bright and sunny. It's like, it feels like the perfect little farmhouse.
Yeah, it's a very cute country home with lots of potential for chickens, goats, however you want to use the land. It's really set up for a bunch of different things.
Come check it out. If you'd like more information about this property, you would like to walk the land in person, or you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in the greater Edmonton area, we would love to connect with you.
It would be a privilege to help you love where you live.